I am Reggie Mitchell. I am originally from Alabama. I have been a classroom teacher. I've been a staff developer, teacher trainer, teaching special education, adult education, ESL, and I'm currently pursuing a postgraduate certificate in school psychology. I had always wanted to go abroad. You know, that was a goal of mine, to go abroad at least for a year. So when I was at this NEA convention in New Orleans, I saw the Fulbright table. And I went over to see exactly what they were doing, why they were there, and what was going on. And I found out that they had a teacher exchange program, and they were looking for teachers to sign up to do an exchange. And so I said, you know, hey, this may work. And I stayed in contact with the staff at that time and submitted to the program, had an interview, and was accepted. Prior to going to Northern Ireland, I had not been outside of the North America. I didn't know what to expect. And once I arrived there to Dublin Airport, got off the plane, the weather was freezing. But it was beautiful with all the greenery, the mountains. The experience I had was it was just outstanding, and I would not exchange it for anything else in the world. When I left to come back home, I came back on fire. You know, I lived in Europe for a year. I taught in Northern Ireland for a year. I was this newborn teacher, you know, with all this wealth of knowledge and knowing people from across the world. So I was ready to go. You know, I kept in contact with my students and my exchange partner. I did articles. I spoke at churches. I spoke at community events, just sharing my experience about teaching abroad in the Fulbright Teacher Exchange Program. As a Fulbright Teacher Exchange alumni, this program has impacted me professionally, socially, and personally. Professionally, again, I really appreciated the experience to be exposed to a different culture, a different way of teaching, a different way of learning. Personally, just being able to, navigate in a foreign country, truly, open my eyes to culture, I should say culture. And socially, I consider myself now a well-rounded person, knowledgeable, world traveler, cosmopolitan. It's quite prestigious to be a part of the Fulbright Network because of the different programs that are afforded under that umbrella. I have been involved with our local Fulbright chapter here in Alabama. I've gone to I've gone to two of the conferences. So professionally, it's impacted me because you have those connections with other people with similar thought patterns. And that makes you feel good because you know that you're not out there alone. When people, ask me questions about the Fulbright Teacher Exchange Program, of course I tell them to do it. I have no reservations, none whatsoever, because I know what Fulbright has done for me. And I, as a fellow educator, I would like for them to experience the same thing. I'm still in contact with many of our my cohorts who went over to the UK with us that year, and we all have that story to share. Everybody has a different story, but at the end of the day, all of our stories and experiences are positive. And when we share these stories with other colleagues, you can tell how the positive energy comes out. I try to be a walking example of what a Fulbright classroom teacher should be.